Okay, just about anybody that owns a 620 or a late model 620 anyway knows what this is. And this is the inside of it. And we all know that the little hinge on this, that's a piece of plastic for a hinge, is a piece of shit. It breaks. This is how I fix this one. I don't know how it's going to last, but cloth is going to last a lot longer than this piece of plastic. I used spray upholstery glue and a few different layers of cloth, and after I'm through restoring the glove box that fell apart, everybody wants $100 or more for just the glove box. And I've seen these online for sale, but they don't have this on it. So this is what I've done for the fix of my 620 old shirt. I used a cotton shirt and spray adhesive for fabric, carpet, stuff like that, and eventually none of it will be seen at all. I just hope it lasts another 10 or 20 years, because I might not even last that long. So you guys that got one of these 620s and you got the conundrum of how to fix it, well, this is what I came up with. So might last a week, might last 5 years, might last the rest of my life. I don't know, but I gave it a try. So far it's working pretty good. Alrighty.